Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about warm shaft machining process. First of all, description of operation, machine used, cutting tool, cutting speed meter per minute, feed rate per revolution, depth of cut in dimensions in. First, material preparation. Band saw. Machine used band saw, cutting tool, bimetal band saw blade. Then dimension, diameter 52 into 150 mm. Cut through rough length. Facing. Next operation, facing. In CNC lathe, using the facing tool, cutting speed of 100 meter per minute and feed rate of 0.1, depth of cut of 1 mm, dimension diameter 50. Face both ends. Next operation, rough turning. CNC lathe, using the tool of carbide inset, cutting speed of 120 meter per minute, feed rate 0.2 mm per revolution, depth of cut 2 mm, dimension in mm, diameter 50 into 140. Rough turning. Next, drilling. CNC lathe twist drill, cutting speed 80, feed rate 0.1 mm per revolution, depth of cut 10 mm, dimension diameter 12 mm, drill a center hole. Next, thread cutting. Warm hobbing machine, cutting tool used HSS warm cutter, cutting speed 150, feed rate 0.08, depth of cut 3.5 mm, dimension module 2.5. Remarks warm thread cutting. The description of operation. Keyway machining, using the milling machine, end mill cutter, cutting speed 100, feed rate 0.15 mm per revolution, depth of cut 5 mm, dimension 6 into 3 into 20 mm, mill keyway for coupling. Heat treatment. In furnace, using the temperature of 900 degrees Celsius, 58 to 60 hours. Carburizing, quenching and tempering to harden the material. Grinding, cylindrical grinding, grinding wheel, cutting speed 30, feed rate 0.1 mm per revolution, depth of cut 0.5 mm, dimension diameter 50 plus or minus 0.01. Finish bearing surface. Description of operation, inspection. CMM and profile projector. Checking dimension and thread accuracy. Surface treatment. Phosphating or oiling. Corrosion protection and final finish. Here we have the 3D model CAD drawing of our finished product. The dimensions are mentioned and the tolerance have been given. Involutes spline, tooth profile, stub tooth, module 0.5, number of teeth 22, pressure angle 20 degree, pitch circle diameter 11, major dia 11.9, minor dia 10.8, base dia 10.337, addendum 0.45, dedendum 0.1, pitch 1.571, shift coefficient 0.8, overpin dia diameter 12, 9.3, pin dia 0.90, roughness of tooth, straight thickness 5.594. Here we have the minute dimensions of our left end of our product.
After I will talk about warms up machine process. First, we take the blank shaft. Next process milling. Next grinding, and final process is washing. This is our milling machine axis. Axis configuration. C axis is control the headstock movement. U axis control the tailstock movement. B axis is handless center rotation. Y axis is controls the harbor unit cutter. Z axis is manages the harbor unit length cutter. X axis is controls the harbor unit depth cutter. A axis is manages the angle adjustments. Holding devices, two main holding components having one is collect, second is C rest. Coolant system. All milling process machines using the coolant system. The specification also included. First is oil type, YBA Bell Code 65. Operating temperature range is 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Next, grinding machine axis. X-axis movement. Grinding machine is three axis, two axis. Main axis is X and Z axis. Z axis on the plus direction is moving upward, minus direction is moving downward. Controls the tool vertical positioning. Primary axis for depth control and tool positioning. Z-axis movement represented by horizontal bidirectional arrow. Positive direction is moving left, negative direction is moving right. Controls the longitudinal movement used for tool approach and retraction. B-axis is rotation, representation by the central hexagonal element marked B. Circular arrows indicating clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. Positive direction is clockwise rotation, negative direction is counterclockwise rotation. Our final process is washing. First wash, second air cutting. Second wash, second air cutting and dry. Inspection of requirements, regular checks. Washing tank temperature is 50 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Rinse tank temperature 50 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Hot dry temperature 60 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Air pressure 0.6 to 0.1 megapascal. Washing liquid density 3 to 1%. Post washing condition, no dust and rust.